ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this correction, we mentioned we can expect for the next drop. And exactly this is what we get, because we mentioned if the price drop, we can expect the price drop to 3840 following by 3750. We're expecting the price drop to this one exactly is happen. And I want to see what's the next, whether this one can be in relative to this as a flat for next drop, or we can look for the reversal, because we mentioned we prefer to see the reversal within the breakout of 3750. All right, but from what we can see here, technically we can expect for the next drop. Anyway, we move to daily chart. All right, and as we can see, based on daily chart, this is what we get. And as I mentioned in my last analysis, the best things is if this one turns to flat for the next drop, the price tag the lowest price of this one as a 3 wave, then from there we look for the reversal. All right, because the price reversed from here as what we expected, but there was no continuation. We couldn't go for the long term. That's why for me, I prefer the price break the lowest price of this correction, or at least tag. Then any reversal from there, I will look for the long term, because we can go with the internal flat. Anyway, we're looking at the bigger picture. We're looking at this correction. We mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy the reversal, we will take it. And with the breakout of the all-time high, we're looking for 5.5 following by 7K as a targets. And even if the price tag the lowest price of this correction, which is this one, we can look for divergence. And if I move to forward chart, all right, and with the breakout of the 3750, then we can look for 3.6K. All right, from what I can see here, still we can look for price to drop, but selling at this point, it depends on the traders. It's not a really good idea. We are not really interested to look for sell. By the way, any sell is a short term, and even based on forward chart, we don't see any reversal point yet. All right, and if I move to forward chart, one more things I want to highlight here. All right, because as what I explained based on daily chart, we can put this one in relative to this turn to flat as a 1, 2, 3. That's why if the price tag the lowest price of this one somewhere around 3.6K, any reversal from there, it can give us better confirmation. This is the best, but we don't need to wait for that. All right, anyway, we are more interested to look for buy rather than the sell. Any sell is a short term. And if I move to 1 hour chart, if anyone wants to look for sell from here, similar explanation, similar way it depends on the strategy they use, but similar to what the way they look for sell from here. All right, any sell is a short term. As long as they get into the profit, they have to move their stop loss to break even. And mostly if we get one more drop, we can refer to the indicators. Then from for divergence, then from there we see whether we can look for the reversal or not. And even if anyone wants to look for buy from here, we have to see the sharp move flag to look for buy there. Rather than that, we don't have another option. Still, we can look for the one more drop, but any drop is a short-term sell. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.